Let me take you a little bit of off-roading and I will show you. Let's see what heights. Uh, 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 uh. ସେପଟେ ପଳା I have never explored these paths before, but yeah, it seems peaceful, you know. Nice. We can turn around from here. It started to look like the entry sequence of a horror movie where they're killed one by one. We can go to that end and see how that looks like. I don't even know what pond or what the name of this water place is. Let's see how far can we go. Ah, bro, this is pretty. The roads are not, but yeah. I think we should not go further. Nice view. Good place. Thank you. Hoo 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 hoo. Currently, we are getting ready for a spin session on these off roads. I'll be driving like a madman I am and see if we can get some bangers out of it. Okay, there are people on that side, So I'll try to avoid that side and you know go over this side. Ooh, nice birds. Chirpy, chirpy, cutie, cutie. Lots of little birds. That's why I was not, entering the bushes. Maybe I will run them over or something like that. See, see. I don't even know what these birds are. Like, they live in the bushes. Oh shit, I hit something. No sand to go. Round two, dos. Sorry, birds, if I'm disturbing your evening, but I want to capture some bangers, bro. I want to try your wheelie. Can I try? I think that would be, enough shots for the day.